Max Ion is really a commitment that we use to maximize the performance of the filters. So we blend the activated carbon, which we use to remove a lot of the contaminants that are organic, like pesticides and herbicides, with an ion exchange material, which removes heavy metals. And we do them in a way that we get the maximum gift between both so that we can remove the most amount of contaminants. So this is a cutaway of our current filter. It's a blend of activated carbon made from coconut shells, the highest grade. It's one that has a lot of surface area and allows us to make a lot of contaminant claims around industrial pollutants and pesticides. It's blended with a lead absorbent, so something that really makes us shine when it comes to lead, and as well as mercury. And that's also in this carbon block structure. On the outside, there is a non-woven, so that's a media that we place around the block that kind of helps us with turbidity. So if you're in an area where there's a lot of dirt and turbidity in your water, it would kind of get filtered by that. It would then move into the carbon block where we absorb a lot of those contaminants over this crisp bed of minerals, and then out you would get your clean drinking water.